How to create Amazon selling account. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on creating an Amazon account. Whether you are looking to expand your business or an individual eager to start selling online, Amazon Waste Marketplace offer an excellent opportunity to reach millions of potential customers worldwide. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of setting up your Amazon selling account, enabling you to list and sell your product effectively. Paragraph 1. Understanding Amazon selling plans. Before you begin familiar yourselves with Amazon's two selling plans, the individual plan and the professional plan. The individual plan suits those who sell favor than 40 items per month, as it has no monthly subscription fee but charges a fee item fee. On the other hand, the professional plan creates two high volume sellers offering unlimited sales without per item fees but require a monthly subscription amount. Registration. To get started, visit Amazon website and click on sale on Amazon. If you already have an Amazon account, sign in. Otherwise, create a new account by following the registration process. Provide accurate information, as this will be used for payment and verification. Business information. For professional selling account, Amazon will ask for your business name, address, and contact details. Ensure that your business information is correct, as it will appear on your product listing and invoice. Identifying and verification. To maintain a secure selling environment, Amazon may request identify verification. This step involves submitting additional information and document to ensure compliance with their spelling policies. Setting up payment and deposit method. Add a valid valid credit card to your seller account to cover fees and expense. Additional, provide a bank account where Amazon can deposit your sales earning. Remember to keep this information updated. Complying with Amazon policies. Read and understanding Amazon seller policy and guidelines to avoid any potential issues. Ensure your product listing, image, and description adhere to their standard to maintain a positive selling experience. Listing your product. With your account set up, you can start listing your product, and Amazon take high quality image, right details, and accurate description, and set competitive price to attract potential buyers. Managing order and customer services. As your products start selling, stay on top of your seller account to manage orders promptly. Be responsible to customer inquiries and offer excellent customer service to build a positive reputation. Optimize your sales. Continuously monitor your sales performance and adjust your strategies accordingly. Consider using Amazon advertising tools and promotional to boost visibility and sales of your product. Creating an Amazon selling account. And remember, selling account opens up a world of opportunity for aspiring sellers. By following these steps and remaining vigilant about Amazon's policies, you can establish a successful online business on one of the largest e-commerce platforms globally. So get started today and tap into Amazon vast customer base to elevate your business to new heights. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tutorial and tech related info.